How do I search for a provider in the MyChart app? First, start on your MyChart homepage, then tap Schedule an Appointment. Since we want to search for a provider, tap the Find a Provider button here. Now you have the ability to search for a provider on your own or explore common searches. You can even input your insurance and zip code information to find a best fit. I'm looking for a new family medicine provider. You may now search through available providers and see available appointment slots. Once you've found a provider you like, tap their name and then tap Schedule an Appointment. Select your appointment type. Finally, search through the list for a date and time that works for you and follow the steps to finalize your appointment. Congratulations! You now know how to search for a provider on MyChart. Finding a good healthcare provider is the first step to a happy, healthy life.